Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to clean and restore your car headlights, ensuring you maintain optimal visibility and safety on the road. Over time, your headlights can become clouded and yellowed due to oxidation and road grime, which can significantly reduce their effectiveness. But don't worry, we're here to help you bring back that crystal clear shine. Let's dive right in with step 1. Start with cleaning. Begin by thoroughly washing your headlights to remove dirt and debris. This initial cleaning will help you determine if further restoration is necessary. Remember, this can be part of your regular car cleaning routine. Just give those headlights a bit of extra care. Step 2. Choose a restoration product. If you notice cloudiness or yellowing, it's time to use a restoration kit like the Meguiar's One-Step Headlight Restoration Kit. This all-in-one solution is designed to eliminate fine scratches and oxidation, leaving your headlights brilliantly clear. Step 3. Prepare your headlights. Protect the surrounding areas with low-tack tape to prevent any accidental damage during the restoration process. Optional, Step 4. Remove defects. For stubborn imperfections, use the Stubborn Defect Removal Pack included in the kit. Spray your headlights with water and gently sand away those defects, following the instructions carefully. Step 5. Apply the Plast RX. Attach the wool buffing pad to your drill and apply the Plast RX formula. This step is crucial for achieving that polished look. Step 6. Buff and polish. Spread the formula across your headlights with the pad, allowing the drill's motion to do its magic. In just a few minutes, you'll see a remarkable transformation. Step 7. Rinse. Use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe away any residue and remove the tape. Your headlights should now be shining bright, ready for your next drive. If after cleaning your beams still aren't as bright as they should be, consider replacing your bulbs. Simply enter your vehicle registration number online for suitable options, or visit a local Halford store for a hassle-free fitting service by our experienced technicians. Finally, don't miss out on the benefits of joining the Halford's Motoring Club. Enjoy savings on bulbs, wiper blades, batteries, and more. Sign up today for exclusive discounts and benefits that keep you moving safely and affordably. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your headlights in top condition for a safer driving experience.